We have a closer look on deletion in general. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. And again, just to have something in, let's fill in some demo data with our helper. And let's just clean it up as usual. It's actually not so important this time. But then again, deletion. So we can delete all kinds of things. Let's maybe first name this one my table. We can add another table, for example. And then you see we have actually two tables inside. If you want to delete a table, you do that either here or in here in the context menu, and then the table after confirmation will be gone. It's not available right now anymore in there. The next thing that you can delete is, for example, a field. In the context menu of the configurator, you can use the delete field. Again, you have to confirm if you're sure what you're doing. If you confirm it, it's out. It's not just out in the field list, it's out in the configurator. The field for the time being is gone. And the last thing that you can typically delete is a record. You can delete a record. Typically there's a shorthand with delete, and there's also no extra dialog for that, so that happens rather quickly. So if you hit delete a couple of times, then all of your records are then gone until you add some further records anymore with names or states in there. So in general, when you delete something and confirm or without confirming it goes away, it's really gone. There will be a remedy for that also in a video later on, because Embrace also does support version control where you can do commits so that nothing is really gone if you said you want to keep it. But for the time being, if you delete something, things are gone. But of course, there's more to Embrace, but that'll be another story.